Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, so I'm using this as my intro. I was filming with natural light and the weather just went down, so I decided to just play while the weather was bright enough. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so let me start by apologizing first because this video is not a full video. I lost the clip where I prepped my skin and did my foundation. So yes, it's not going to be a full makeup routine because that was what I wanted to do, and I realized that I've lost that clip. So I'm just going to just do with what I have because it took me a lot of effort to do this video, and I can't just let it just go like that. That is why I am going to be uploading this one. And yes, before we get into the video in proper and explain what I'm doing, please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and please subscribe. It's very important, and this is going to go a long way for me. And if you're a old baddie, thank you for coming back. Thank you, and please like, share, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. So I started off this video by setting my face with my very good setting powder and went on to draw my brows, and as you can see, I've applied a brow gel which I got from Esther Cosmetics on Instagram. And yes, I went on to apply the brow pomade, two shade, the black and brown. And the reason why I'm using two shade is because the brown does not really give me the effect that I want, so I mix it and it gives me the perfect effect that I want. I've defined my brows and I used a concealer to do that. You can use any random concealer that you have. I am just cleaning the top of my brows to make them look equal. And next up, I am going to be applying powder on the brow bone area so that will stay matte, and I am just blending and setting that part so everything is going to be prepped before we start the eyeshadow application in proper. It's time for the eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use that peach shade on my crease. And I can't remember the name of this eyeshadow because the name has broken. I can't remember the name. And I'm just going to be using a darker shade after that to just define the crease more. And now I am going to be using a concealer to cut my crease or carve out my crease, anyone you understand. And I am going to be applying a nude shade on my lid. I wanted to do a talk through, but the noise was just too much, so I decided I was going to just do a voiceover. So now I've applied that on my lid, and I'm just going to blend everything before I do the extra, because I was supposed to do just a normal eyeshadow. I don't know why it went so extra, but not so extra. Yes, I just use a concealer to just define the crease, and applying mascara under my bottom lashes, and I'm going to be applying mascara on the top of my lashes, like the top of my lashes as well, so to just prep that for the lashes we are going to use. So now we are on to the lips, and I'm just using that same brow pomade that I used, the black. I'm just using this to just outline my lips. After outlining my lips, I went on to blend my lips, and I applied this nude lipstick on it, but I was not really feeling this combo, so I decided to apply concealer on it, and yes, blended it, and I loved the outcome. I'm just going to define my lips, yes. And next up, I'm going to just dust out the setting powder that we applied in the beginning and blend everything out. So yes, that's what I'm just doing. I'm just going to be blending my face with powder, my neck. I'm just setting all over my face. What I'm doing now is I'm trying to just highlight the under of my eyes to make it pop more. Yes, because I wanted it to be bright. So I am going to be applying more blush to my face because I love the effects of blush, and I'm just setting everything together using Very Good Glow Kit to highlight the highest point of my cheek and my nose, and that was it for this look. We are done. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video and you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, comment and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace and love. Bye.